This tutorial shows you how to align a molecule. Let's go get a molecule. We'll bring in favorite aspirin. If we rotate this molecule around, what we've done is distorted the position of the viewer. If we want to get the position of the viewer back, we would align the viewer along the z-axis. This way the viewer, you yourself, is looking directly along the z-axis, and this is then the x-axis, and this is the y-axis on the screen. If we want to align a molecule in some way or other along specific axes, we can take a selection, and we can take the whole selection, or say we just take a bond, and we want to align the molecule. We can ask to align the molecule and align the primary axis along the x. Now, because we made a selection, it will work on the selection rather than the whole molecule. There is a major axis for the whole molecule, but in this case we're using the major axis of the selection because we've made a selection. So if I go ahead and do this, this bond is now horizontal along the x-axis because it moved the rest of the molecule along with it, because we have the ability to move the whole molecule at once. We do not have this menu item over here, whole molecule translation. This is not unselected, so when you move a couple of atoms, you move the whole molecule along with those atoms, which is why the whole molecule is now oriented in this fashion without sort of destroying the molecule. If now we wanted to put this one at the origin, we could do that. Take the selection, translate the selection to the origin, and center the molecule again. And now this atom is at the origin 0, 0, 0, and this atom is at 1.3600. That is, it's directly along the x-axis because we've aligned the molecule, or aligned this bond along the x-axis, translated such that this one is at the origin, and so that even though we may never want to do this, in most situations there's no reason to position the molecule in any special way. You certainly can if you want to, and in this case we've aligned it such that this bond is along the x-axis and this atom is at the origin.